Hi friends, this is Hibatul Karim. I think you all have submitted your online registration application form to the University Grants Commission, and you might have received a PDF document to your email address. Now we have to see what we have to do next. As you all know, due to these current situations, the post offices are closed, the banks are closed, and the travel restrictions are imposed. The students are finding difficulties in sending their applications by post to the University Grants Commissions. So the University Grants Commissions has given some instructions how to proceed with your applications. I'm now going to share what is the information given by the University Grants Commission on this. See, the University Grants Commission has given instruction in all three languages, Sinhala, Tamil, and English, what you should do. Once you receive the PDF versions to your email address, what you have to do is you have to get a printout of the email, what you have received via email, the version. It has 6 pages like this. The page number 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 pages are there. Then what you have to do is, then once you get a printout on the page number 3, under section 5, here you find a place called signature of the applicant. You have to put your signature here. Then after that, and page number 4, you will get another page called student's declaration. Here also you have to put a signature. And since you are not in a position to go to the schools or to the Justice of Peace to get the signature, what you have to do is you have, after you are signing the document, you have to get the document scanned, or using a phone, you have to take a photograph and send it to the University Grants Commission via their email is given here, apply2020@ugc.ac.lk. Then once the situation come back to the normal, then what you have to do is, if you are a school candidate, you have to go to a school and meet the principal and get his signature and forward the application via post along with the documents which are needed to attach, like O-level certificate and whatever the documents mentioned in the University Grants Commission's website. And if you are a private candidate, what you have to do is you have to go to a Justice of Peace and get his certification in that in that application form, and you have to attach your O-level certificate and your school leaving certificate. Keep in mind, the original school leaving certificate has to be attached, as well as the Grama Sevaka certificate, that also original to certify your residence. You have to get from the Grama Sevaka and countersigned by the divisional secretary, and you have to send the original along with your applications. You have to put everything together and you have to post to the University Grants Commission. Keep in mind that there are some barcodes given at the last page of the applications. Then you have to cut the appropriate barcode portion and fix in the relevant document. For an example, if it is an O-level certificate, you have to paste on the first page, the first one, and the back side of that in the second piece. Like that, if you are a private candidate, you have to attach the school leaving certificate. There you will get a barcode called SLC, school leaving certificate. You have to cut it and paste in the front page as well as in the back side. And Grama Sevaka certificate, you will get GNC. That is the tag name is GNC. You have to get it you have to get pasted that, and you have to send to the University Grants Commission by post. Keep in mind, if you don't send those documents by post, you will be losing your chances to be selected to the university. Even though if you are selected to the university, until the University Grants Commission receives those originals document, your admissions will be withheld or suspended. Once you submit all the relevant documents to the University Grants Commissions only, your applications will be, your university admissions will be released, even though you are selected the university. Keep in mind, that is an important thing. You have to get the document posted. But before that, due to the current situation, the University Grants Commission has given a kind of a release to the students that you can send the documents. After signing the documents, you can scan the documents and send to UGC via email. In the meantime, if you can find the documents, or if you have the originals of those documents like school leaving certificate or the Grama Sevaka certificate which you obtained recently, and if you can get the signature of your principal, you can post the you can send those, you can scan those documents and send via email. And other thing is that some students are finding difficulties in paying for aptitude test of the relevant universities. You also can either deposit to the cash deposit machines, or via online transfer you can make the payment and attach the relevant document for documentary proof. So once again, I'm repeating you all that once you have submitted your application, you have to make a copy of the PDF document which you received through your email, and get a printout and sign at the appropriate places on page number 3 and page number 4, and scan those documents with your signature and send to the University Grants Commission to apply 2020@ugc.ac.lk. Thank you very much for listening, viewing this video. Thank you.